G'day again guys, Bo from Supertech Electronics, and today we're going to show you how to remove an amplifier from a Landcruiser, Sahara Landcruiser. Now the tools you're going to need today is a 14mm socket, a 10mm socket, a plastic spudger and a flat-headed screwdriver. Okay, let's get started. Now, first thing we're going to do is move the seat all the way forward. Just before we do that, I've removed these black plastic covers that cover the bolts at the front of the seat. So we're going to move it all the way forward, and we're going to grab our 14mm socket and we're going to go to the back of the car and loosen the bolts. Alrighty, so we've removed the plastic off these ones too, and we've removed the bolts. Now I just want to stress at this point, at no point should you unplug any electrical connections to the seat. Okay, there is an airbag under the seat, and preferably do not unplug anything electrical. Just take the screws out, and then we're going to go back to the front of the car and move the seat all the way back. So now we're going to remove the bolts to the front of the seat, but bear in mind, do not unplug anything electrical to the seat. As long as it all stays connected, you're golden. Okay, so both bolts are out from the back and the front of the seat. It's held down with 4 bolts. Now all we're going to do at this stage is rock the seat back. Okay, that's the one. I do not want you to unplug that. Okay, anything yellow normally indicates airbag. Now your amplifier lives under here. We've got ours unplugged. You'll have one electrical connection there. Press the center pin and pull it out. And over this side, you'll have a very big plug. So that's designed to be that way until it goes back into the unit. That little clip there you'll need to push and then fold this lead back, and then it will unplug. Okay, they're the only 2 plugs that hold the amplifier in. Now you'll have one 10mm bolt in that point there. You'll have another one in the opposite point over here. You've also got one very awkwardly here. Now to get to that 10mm bolt, we're going to remove this section here. And we're going to unplug this guy here. That's just a light. Okay, put that aside. This is where the flat will come in. So the carpet's held in with this plastic level here. So pop your screwdriver just in there till it pops out. Same with this side. And just to give yourself a lot of room, pop there. So that will expose the screw that goes in there. Okay, that is just a 10mm screw. Once you've got that one undone, and both electrical connections are disconnected, this whole amplifier will slip out all the way out, and that's ready to send off to Supertech Electronics for repair.